Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja, your go-to source for free educational content. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of philosophy. We invite you to subscribe and be part of our growing community. Together, we can expand our knowledge and engage with history's greatest thinkers and their ideas. Today, we are diving into the life and ideas of Democritus, known as the father of atomic theory. Democritus was born around 460 years before the Common Era in Abdera, Greece. His journey took him across the ancient world, exploring places like Egypt, Persia, and India. His travels influenced his thinking and contributed to his extensive body of work, which included over 70 texts on various subjects like philosophy, biology, and ethics. Though most of his writings have sadly vanished over time, the essence of his thought has endured, shaping both scientific and philosophical theories that we still discuss today. Democritus believed that at the core of existence were atoms and the void, two fundamental principles that he explained with such clarity that they anticipated modern physics by over 2,000 years. Atoms, according to him, are the smallest, indivisible units of matter. Picture a tiny particle, so small that it cannot be divided any further. Democritus proposed that these atoms are infinite in number, eternal and indestructible, and in constant motion within the void, which is the empty space that allows them to interact. Imagine a vast universe filled with countless atoms zipping around in the emptiness of space, constantly moving and combining to form everything we see around us. This groundbreaking view marked a departure from earlier notions that attributed existence to the divine or supernatural forces. Democritus' revolutionary idea was that instead of a spiritual realm, everything that exists can be explained through the interactions of these tiny particles. His concept of materialism posited that the universe is solely composed of atoms and void, dismissing any notion of divine intervention. He even argued that our perceptions of reality, our thoughts, and emotions stem from the movement of these atoms. This bold assertion would influence not only subsequent philosophers like Epicurus but also take on a significant role in modern scientific discourse. Delving deeper, we find that Democritus argued for the indivisibility of atoms. The term atom originates from the Greek word atomos, meaning uncuttable. He reasoned that if matter could be infinitely divided, there would be no ultimate building block of matter. This logical deduction led him to propose that atoms, as fundamental and solid units, cannot be divided further. Although science has advanced since Democritus' time and we now know that atoms themselves are made of smaller particles, the idea that there is a core component of matter remains essential in modern physics. Democritus also developed a mechanical philosophy, which explained all phenomena as the result of the interaction and movement of atoms. According to him, events occur not for any purpose but as a natural consequence of physical laws. This idea indicates that if we were to understand the precise position and motion of every atom, we could predict everything that happens in the universe. Imagine a world entirely governed by the laws of nature, where every effect has a cause rooted in the physical interactions among atoms. His perspective on causality extended to perception as well, stating that our senses are engaged by fine layers of atoms, or eidola, that emanate from objects and interact with the atoms that compose our soul. This radical understanding of perception laid the groundwork for discussions in modern philosophy and psychology regarding primary and secondary qualities. The clarity with which Democritus described the relationship between atomic structures and our experiences is truly compelling. Moreover, his ethical teachings offer practical wisdom regarding happiness and well-being. Democritus believed that the ultimate goal in life is to achieve a state known as euthymia, which translates to cheerfulness or contentment. He emphasized the importance of tranquility, asserting that genuine happiness arises from a peaceful state of mind, free from excessive ambitions and desires that can lead to distress. He promoted the idea of self-control and moderation, teaching that those who seek unlimited pleasures may inadvertently cultivate future suffering. His mantra underscores the concept that wisdom entails recognizing what is worth pursuing and what brings true joy. Friendship and fairness also played vital roles in his ethical system, further illustrating his belief that social harmony contributes to individual happiness. Interestingly, Democritus maintained a materialist view of the soul, proposing that it, too, is composed of fine, mobile atoms distributed throughout the body. This stood in stark contrast to traditional beliefs of an immortal soul. He argued that when the body dies, the soul disperses into the void, leaving no fear of eternal punishment or reward, which was revolutionary during his time. Fast forward to later thinkers, and we see how influential Democritus was on Epicurus, who adopted and expanded upon Democritus' ideas. Epicurus recognized the significance of atomic theory and modified it to introduce the concept of the swerve, an idea that offered a glimpse of free will amidst deterministic views. Both philosophers aimed to liberate people from religious fears and emphasized that understanding the natural world leads to a better life. Although Democritus' works faded from historical consciousness, his ideas resurfaced through the influential Roman poet Lucretius. His epic poem De Rerum Natura served as a vehicle for preserving Atomist philosophy. In this beautiful verse, Lucretius conveyed the essence of Democritus' ideas, promoting scientific thinking and a materialist view, which gained renewed attention during the Renaissance. The rediscovery of Lucretius' work inspired a wave of scientific inquiry, influencing renowned thinkers such as Galileo and Newton. Today, we refer to Democritus as the father of modern science. While the core of his atomic theory has evolved, the vital insights he provided about the universe and the nature of reality continue to resonate profoundly, echoing through the halls of science and philosophy for over 24 centuries. In summary, Democritus' explorations of atoms, the void, and his materialist philosophy fundamentally reshaped our understanding of reality. His beliefs in the indivisibility of atoms and the mechanical causes behind events paved the way for modern science. Moreover, his ethical principles surrounding happiness and the nature of the soul continue to influence philosophical thought today. The legacy of Democritus remains vital in how we approach the world, offering a lens through which to view our existence and what truly matters. Thank you for joining us in today's episode on Democritus and the nature of reality. We hope this discussion has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to explore more about philosophy and science. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content as we continue our journey through the world of ideas. Until next time, keep questioning and exploring.